It's Rena. And we're playing Burping Bobby.
Thanks for sending us this game, Goliath Games.
I can't wait to play this game.
Let's do it.
I go first. I think I'm gonna get the onion. Oh man, I got garlic. I have to turn the crank 3 times. Yeah. Oh, I hope it doesn't burp on me. Ooh, I'm so scared.
I hope I get the cheese. Oh, I got the garlic. I have to crank it 1 time. Phew. All right. Let's hope that I get a pizza. Oh man, I got Coke and I have to crank it 3 times. Let's wish me good luck.
Phew. I want beans. Yes, I got beans. I hope I get Coke. Aw man, I got cheese.
At least you only crank it once.
Yeah, I know. Yes.
I hope he doesn't burp. I think that I want garlic. Oh, I got pizza.
How many times?
I have to crank it 2 times.
Oh no. Guys, you have to check this out. Look how funny it is. I guess the game's over. I'm the only one with the token, so I win!
And the game was super fun, so let's play it again. Yeah!
I won, so I get to go first. I want pizza. I got onion. And 2 times. Here you go. Phew!
Oh my god, so it's Rena's turn. I'm so afraid.
Oh, I hope I want to get Coca-Cola. Oh, I got pizza. I have to twist it 1 time.
Aidan, you were cheating!
No, I'm not.
Yes, you were! I saw you! You were looking at the cards!
Fine.
Now I have to mix them all up. I want to get onion. I got beans. I have to twist the crank 2 times. Let's hope it doesn't burp.
Yeah.
1, 2. Phew. He's a nasty eater.
Yeah.
Blech. I hope I get a Coke. I got it, and I got 1 point.
I want garlic. I got soda. Phew. Now it's my turn. I'm so scared.
All right, let's
Good.
do this.
Let's hope he doesn't go because he's such a messy eater.
I pick cheese.